How to delete a page in Word. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to delete a page in Word. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So I will teach you 3 ways in order to delete a page. So the first way is, as you can see right here, I have 2 pages. So what I need to do is to just click on this second page and click on the backspace or delete key. And that should be able to delete that specific page, and as you can see I only have one right here. So the next thing that we can do is to actually try and click on this paragraph icon on the home button. So if you click on this paragraph icon, you can see this icon right here, and if you scroll up you can see that there's a page break. So what we need to do is to just click on select that page break and click your delete and backspace button or anything like that. And as you can see, once you've deleted that, there's only one page again. So let's click on this icon again in order to remove that icon. So the next thing that you can do, which is the last thing, is to head over to view. Then from in there, click on navigation pane, and you will see here your navigation. Click on pages right here, and you can see that there's 2 pages. So what you can do is to just click on the second page and click on delete or backspace button again. So let's try to click and delete it, and as you can see it has been deleted. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete a page in Word. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!